Introducing the new 2-in-1 step and extension ladder from COSCO. This new ladder offers all the capabilities of a step ladder and an extension ladder in one easy-to-store package, saving you money and freeing up valuable space when it's not in use. When you need an extension ladder, our patented lock system allows you to easily convert the ladder by just pushing and turning until it is locked into place. When you need a step ladder, just push and turn our patented lock to secure the ladder in position, and you're ready to go. The large, comfortable rungs offer a stable and secure footing, keeping you safe while you work. When folded flat, the 2-in-1 ladder is simple to store away, and its lightweight aluminum frame makes it easy to carry. Available in 3 sizes and with load capacities up to 300 pounds, the 2-in-1 ladder from COSCO is perfect for most household tasks. COSCO. Smart by design.